Dear student, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I hope you must be well and okay, healthy in your home with the shade of Almighty Allah, Almighty God. He will give you such a better opportunity. In my 10th lecture, I have been told you the secret. That I have been told you the secret was disclosed. Who told? Johan, with the help of Zendel and Sept. These people told that the king is captured in Zendel. 6 people or Michael, they are guarding him, and he is captured. And 6 people. So now in my 11th lecture, lecture number 11. I tell you what the plan has been put by Rosendal, Sept and Frizz. My dear student, I have been told you many times that the Sept and Frizz are loyal servant of the real king. You can say the crown king of Ruritania. Now topic is courtesy visit. When Rosendal knew that our king is captured in Zenda, just 50 miles from Zenda, Strelsa is a capital, and from frontier is a 5-mile distance. So they have taken such a positive step to find out the king how he is in condition, or a good or a bad. My dear student, now this is the plan, a courtesy visit. Where they go? They must go the state of Frizz von Tarlenheim. This is the Tarlenheim is a dynasty. Tarlenheim is also dynasty, related. It has a good relation. They are relative of the Ruritanian king. These are also part of dynasty of Ruritania. Now please try to understand. Tarlenheim is also a dynasty. They are also part of Ruritanian king, the royal family. So this is Frizz von Tarlenheim. They resemble with the relation of Sept and Frizz. They took a courtesy visit. Okay, you got my point? Now the plan is moving towards. It was a distance from 5 miles from Zenda. Distance 5 miles from Zenda means Zenda and Tarlenheim has a 5 miles distance. My dear student, I have not mentioned here. Okay, and with 10 trustworthy gentlemen. I told you in my 10th lecture it was a commando action. You know, commando action will be taken to make safe the life of real king. So these are 10 gentlemen are with Rosendal, Sept and Frizz to find out our king in which condition he is reside. My dear, it was a suspect when they go. So it was a suspect that some people of kings are captured in Zenda. So we are here to find out the people. Now I think my plan, my plot of novel should be clear. This is the best plan by Rosendal and Sept and Frizz. How they are making a plan to find the king. They are not mentioning the Rodolphe Albert, a real king is captured. No, there are king's people are imprisoned in Zenda. We are finding them. Clear? I hope you must understand what I am saying. Okay. My dear student, when Mr. Rosendal with Sept and Frizz reached Tarlenheim, after 1 hour, 3 of the 6 people, 3 among 6 of Ruritanian, I told you, Leningrad, Krafstein and Rappard. Rappard of Hankazo, these people are Ruritanian. In my previous lecture, I have been told you there are 6 people, 6 bodyguard, 6 personal villain of Black Michael. 3 are Ruritanian. This is also excuse, my dear student. This is also very important excuse. There are 3 Ruritanian, there are 3 foreigner. 1 is foreigner. When they give you 4 excuse, 1 is foreigner, 3 must be Ruritanian, 1 should be foreigner. There is a 1 Ruritanian, 3 must be foreigner, 1 should be Ruritanian. You find out. Now I am telling you. Leningrad, Krafstein and Rappard of Hankazo. These are Ruritanian. They are domestic people of Ruritania. So they know each and everything of Ruritania kingdom. Okay. They meet to Mr. Razendal, you know. Okay, so now tell you they meet to Razendal and they put the asked why did you come and accidentally in Thailand. So my dear student, same I mentioned you. This is we are here is just took a visit to find out the people of King Sar in prison. So this was the main thing. But you know what thing they have found out? In the evening time, in that evening when Sir Zendal reached Thorlenham with the help of Seth, he tries to visit. In the same landlady, which was owner of inn, she has two daughters, I tell you, and same two daughters in Johan. In the same evening, now the day evening, where Mr. Zendal with the help of Seth tried to visit the places of Thorlenham. We were near to Zenda, and if you go some lectures ahead, and in the same evening, Mr. Rosendal has taken a visit, and same landlady who has two daughters, she's owner of N and Johan, so these people were finding him, same, they were finding him. So these people were known about Rosendal, so he just made them. After when Mr. Rosendal come back to Strelsa, he found one news that one man is shot dead and wounded by the followers of Michael. One man was shot dead or wounded and shot dead. The followers of Michael has killed him. Among 10 people, they were trustworthy gentlemen. So one man was shot dead and wounded by the followers of Michael. My dear student, the plan is moving ahead. Now, simple fight has been started. I am telling you. So some fight has been started between Zendal, Sephiroth and his people with the Michael. Michael is a villain. I have been told many times. Black Michael is a villain of this story. There is only one villain. The next is Rapadahantasu. You will find one question who is more devilish, Michael or Rapadahantasu. Inshallah, I will tell you in my coming lecture. So my dear student, now you understand that one man was shot dead and wounded by for Michael. So this was my question, that how Rosendal just took a visit to Thorlenham and he how come safely to Strelsa, and one man was shot dead with the followers of Michael. And then he found the people, how Rapport, Krafstein and Leningram are so much criminal people, so heinous people, and inshallah, my dear student, this my lecture, in my 10th lecture and this 11th lecture, what I tell you, this only understood lecture, means there are some excuses, at which time Mr. Zendal just reached Thorlenham, and after 1 hour, after half, I have been mentioned here, there is only an hour, after an hour, the people come of Michael, which Leningram, Krafstein, Rapport, these three people are Ruritanian, they come. This is the best excuse. They meet to Rosendal and they ask the reason why you come accidentally. So I hope you understand my lecture and you will enjoy what I am saying. I am telling you brief lecture. That should be very good for your examination point of view. So I am not telling you some exaggerate thing. I am not quoting such an extra examples. But my dear student, what I am telling you that you understand well what I am telling you. This is my point. So I hope I told you about a courtesy visit of the Zindal Septim prison. We are Frizz of one Tarun. This is a state 5 miles from Zenda. And the 10 trustworthy gentlemen were accompanied with Rosendal to find out the real king. And when he reached, after 1 hour, 3 people of Black Michael, they come to meet Rosendal. They ask the question. They ask why you came here accidentally. He says, this is a courtesy visit and I'm finding some people of kings are in prison here, Now in that time he found Johan, a landlady, which has two daughters, and I told you Johan was loving one of daughter to landlady. So these were already known situation, and that evening and the previous evening, the situation was same, the time was same. And when he come back safely, joined his trail shop, he found the news that one among 10 gentlemen was shot dead and wounded by the followers of Michael. So this was the story. I hope I am trying to speak in a simple manner that you people understand well. Inshallah, in my 12th lecture, I will tell you something brief. Okay, dear student, I feel you must enjoy. Allah Hafiz.